Are you passionate about repairing cars? Turn your dreams into reality. The Automotive Collision and Repair Program teaches you the necessary skills needed to succeed in the industry. Get hands-on experience with repairing and refinishing auto body parts. Learn how to sand, mend, and paint. Get real dealership experience with our partners at Ford while still at school. Join us and put yourself in the driver's seat of an exciting career. Start your CTE journey at Porter Early College High School. Your future in automotive collision begins here.